So kasama po natin ngayon, of course, ang bagong tangal na World Women's 9-ball champion ng Pilipinas, the one and only Rubelin Bingkay Amit. Ate Bing! Champ! Kamusta na po kayo? And welcome to Sports Corner PH. It's nice to see you again.
Thank you, Gab. It's nice to be here and salamat sa iyong invitation.
First of all, maraming salamat din po dahil of course niyaya namin na of course na sumadya at pumunta nga dito sa Amit Cup, pero awas ito nakaabot na tayo ng leg 3, leg 2 ng season 3 at dumarami na ang ating mga female billiards players from both advanced and intermediate ang nakilaok dito sa event na ito, Champ.
Yes, we're very happy with the turnout kasi talagang palaki siya ng palaki and we're really trying our best. Kami po ng buong team na ma-accommodate po as many lady players as we can para po mabigyan opportunities ang women players po natin.
Well, we'll get back to that later on, but first, para dito sa mga followers natin, of course, naibalita natin sa Sports Corner, of course, the recent victory mo sa New Zealand Women's World 9-Ball Championship. And then the following week, nag-third place ka doon sa China Open. Binantayan din namin ng Sports Corner. So, your initial thoughts on the two tournaments na napalanunan ninyo, and of course, it's an added boost na rin para sa inyo and of course sa Philippine Women's Billiards. Itong pagkapanalo mo, Champ.
Yes, very blessed and grateful for this opportunity na mapanalunan po yung World 9-Ball Championships because matagal na po natin to talagang hinahabol. The last time na I was close to winning it was in 2007 pa. And then ang next was both semis ng 2018 and 2019. So I'm very happy with this win. And then after that, a week after, nag-China Open and placed third, losing against the eventual champion of the event. That's tama po yung na-mention nyo. It's a big boost sa confidence ko and hopefully to the women's pool scene din po dito sa Philippines.
Pero magkasabay itong mga tournaments na ito, did you feel the pressure? Lalo na, alam natin, matagal mo nang pinapangarap mo nang na makakuha ng world title, pero at least natupad mo na sa kasaysayan ng inyong kareran mo sa billiards. E ngayon lang, nagkaroon ng world title. Ito nga si Champ, Ate Bing.
Yes, sorry, what's the question?
Na-pressure ka ba nung time na yun na nakuha niyo yung world title?
Of course, nandun po yung pressure, nandun yung excitement, nandun yung kaba, yung anxiety, yung stress, lahat na, halo-halo. But then again, kasi, like ko na-mention to, na ang sandalan ko naman talaga is my faith. So, with that, it gives me peace na kung ano man ang mangyari sa laro, that's God's plan. So, through that, kumakalma ako and I just play and just enjoy the game po.
And you also mentioned in the previous interviews sa mga kabilang impilan, malaki rin ang itinulong din ng mental conditioning, lalo na kasama si Ma'am Gang Badoy. Meron kayong mga mental health seminars na inyong pinuntaan para at least ma-maximize ninyo yung hindi lang yung preparedness natin for both physical, pati na rin sa mental na rin. But for the opportunity na makakakuha mo na yung world title, ma'am.
Yes, definitely malaking tulong kasi talaga yon because billiards is really a mental game. And apart from Miss Gang Badoy is si Ma'am Karen Trinidad, who's the sports psychologist of PSC. She helps me a lot din po in my preparations for tournaments.
Pero of course, with this world title na napalanunan ninyo plus yung bronze medal doon sa China Open, ano ba, masasabi mo ng big year para sa inyo? Even though, sa 3 buwan na lang bago matapos itong taon, may tuturing mo ba big year itong 2024 para sa inyong karera sa billiards?
Yes, of course. Winning the World 9-Ball Championships is sobrang big for me. And I would say, well, kahit nga na medyo we're towards the end na, it's actually my first 2 tournaments of the year. So, looking forward to 2 more tournaments. First is the Bacolod tournament in
Mascara Festival.
Yes, Mascara by Mayor Albi Benitez. And then next would be the World 10 Ball Championships naman in Puerto Rico, wherein yung kasama ko naman at teammate ko si Cheska Centeno is the defending champion. So both of us will be leaving by November to compete in that po.
And by the way, si Cheska nandito kanina sa Amit Cup. Sumadya po siya at nandito to witness the event. So, we'll now focus on the Amit Cup. That's been 3 seasons right now. And looking at the number of all the participants niya dito sa tournament, ina-expect mo ba na of course, lumalaki na ang community ng women's billiards. And we get to see of course yung mga champions from the advanced and intermediate na ma-elevate pa lalo ang kanilang game nila. Lalo na nakikita natin si Denden Santos kanina, para na-elevate na into elite matapos ang ilang taon na nakikipagbaka para dito sa Amit Cup.
Well, si Den naman po talaga, even before the Amit Cup talagang panlaban na natin yun. And I'm just very happy na kahit paano nakatulong din tayo. But it came to a point wherein talagang yung level niya hindi na pwede sa amateur level. She's in the same level as Cheska and I in terms of being a pro. So kaya kanina was her graduation and we're excited na meron na tayong first graduate and hoping for more graduates in the seasons to come. Yeah,
pero of course si Denden naniniwala ba na of course, mararating niya ba yung ganitong level, yung pagiging professional at makisabay na rin sa iba pang mga sa mga national pool champions sa ngayon?
Ako naniniwala po ako sa galing ni Denden. Talagang makakasabay po siya. And actually, last year, she won a tournament in Singapore. Given lang talaga na magkaroon siya ng more exposure, more opportunities, I think she will do very well in the international scene.
Pero sa lineup niyo ng ating mga pool players na nakilahok nga sa leg 3, kanina ba kayo na-impress sa kanila? Lahat ba sila or maybe ibagit na rin yung ilan base sa observation ninyo?
There are mga players na mga bago na since bago sila, medyo hindi ko pa talaga kabisado yung mga names nila kasi more on na pag nanonood ako, more on the faces. And then, natutuwa ako kasi more new faces ang dumadating. And of course, yung mga regular participants natin, talagang pagaling din ng pagaling. Yung iba nga, magre-represent na ng country in some tournaments. Like for example, si Rocky Constantino and si Gia Navarro. They will be playing in Vietnam next week. They'll be leaving tomorrow. So let's wish them luck. Sasali po sila sa junior tournament. Kaya I'm excited for them. At the same time, I'm excited also for the players na naabot din po na talagang magre-represent na ng country.
And of course, nagpapasalamat din tayo. Of course, marami kayong mga tinanggap na cash prizes. Lalo na, meron tayong mga generous sponsors natin like Usana, like Buko Beach Resort, Mescues, and Predator at Scarab. Na of course, naniniwala talaga sa advocacy nyo sa women's pool. And of course, they take this as a responsibility para tulungan yung ating mga pool players natin, lalo na yung mga fast rising na mga stars ng Philippine pool natin.
Yes, sobrang grateful po ako sa companies that you mentioned. If I may make mention again, Predator, Mescues, Buko Resort, Usana, our partner sponsor, Scarab, and our donors, Sidan, Kadiliman, Biryani Brothers, Arya, our partner, event partners, VIP, Q-Bar, MAPA, and MEBC. Kasi if not for them po talaga, hindi namin ito masusustain, hindi namin ito magagawa for the lady players. Kaya malaking tulong po talaga na meron kaming suportang ganito.
And lastly, bago kita mabigyan ng konting mensahe ng inspirasyon sa mga pool players, kailan ang susunod na leg ng Amit Cup para sa promotion ng mga gustong sumali, Tibing?
We are looking at December or January. So right now po kasi we're focused on holding this event in October. And then after, magme-meeting po kami ulit to decide on whether we're going to do it in December or baka January na po, kasi alam naman natin pag December talagang sobrang busy lahat for parties, for mga reunions.
Yung mga Christmas party, celebration, at iba pa.
So baka we might do January, but we will have to talk as a team.
Okay, lastly, with this World Championship na napalanunan mo, anong susunod na goal ni Ate Bing sa susunod na taon? Ano ba yung nakikita mo na future para sa iyo and even sa Philippine Billiards?
We have a bright future ahead in terms of Philippine pool, both men and women. Men, dahil talagang seasoned naman talaga ang mga lalaki natin, makikita naman natin that they've been winning left and right. In terms naman sa babae natin, nakikita natin na parating na rin itong ginagawa natin is just one of the factors na baka pwedeng makatulong sa kanila. But I'm looking forward to these ladies for them to be able to represent the country. But sa akin, grabe ang magiging future. Lalo na ngayon, sumisikat ang billiards ngayon, kaya tingin ko talagang mas marami pang players na lalabas at magbibigay ng honor sa country.
Okay, Champ, ang inyong mensahe sa lahat ng mga kabataan, and of course, pasasalamat na rin sa lahat ng taga-suporta, hindi lang sa Amit Cup, kundi sa inyong matagumpay na pagkuha ng titulo sa World Championships.
Gusto ko lang pong pasalamatan lahat po ng sumusuporta po sa akin, sa lahat po ng pool players ng Philippines and sa atletang Pilipino, sa lahat po ng dasal at mga suporta, pag-cheer niyo po, malaking bagay po sa amin yon. If I may make mention also to my sponsors, Predator Qs, Tough Seal and Gisana, for giving me the opportunity to compete abroad, for always supporting me for the longest time. Talagang hindi kayo nag-waver sa paniniwala niyo po na makakapagbigay tayo ng honor sa country. And if I may also make mention to PSC, POC, BSCP, for supporting your athletes, and to my coaches, Coach Django Bustamante, Tatay Efren Batarreyes, my billiards coach, my swim coach, Coach Al Gonzalez, strength and conditioning coach, si Coach Alan Bailon, sports vision trainer, Sir Mark, and si Doc Charlie Ho and Doc Maya Uwe of the Sports Vision Clinic, who gives me free training po. Malaking bagay po sa akin yun for me to be able to grow as an athlete. Ang masasabi ko lang is that hindi ko maaabot tong mga nararating ko kung hindi dahil sa mga tulong ng mga lahat ng taong ito po, sa pamilya ko, sa loved ones ko, sa partner ko, and of course to God for all the blessings that He has given me. I'm nothing without the Lord.
Again, all the best and congratulations sa Ate Bing, and more power and more successes to come para sa Amit Cup, and of course sa lumalaki at lumalawak na komunidad ng billiard sa ating bansa. God bless you and thank you.
Thank you, Gab.
Alright, so